6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh my god, just imagine it. Just imagine if there's a police academy.
Alright, these are the elevators. These are the elevators.
I see things.
Wait,
It's not.
No, I know. I recognize it. I'm not looking.
You're fine.
Wait, just.
It's gold. It's a Roxy because it's fashion gold, remember?
Guys.
What?
Guys, just imagine if there's police like forensics academy called triangular evidence.
No.
Okay, here we go. These are the elevators, the main elevators. There's a lot of elevators. Oh.
Dude, this thing is
Okay, motor.
That's all.
Bro, Adam, if it's that bad, just get off and take the stairs, bro.
It's too late. We're already going. Oh my god! I just thought of. Imagine a Silvana high rise.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. Imagine.
Wait, James, hear me out. Now, backsplash for an elevator. Like, you know, the first thing is a backsplash.
Just imagine
Doesn't the arrow kind of looks like a backslash? Like just
How the hell does that look like a backslash? What is in here?
Where do I slide this again? Oh, I'm gonna screw in it, of course. Okay, I'll be right.
We'll just take this.
I love this seeing this.
I'll take the motor for what it is. It's a nice motor. Guarantee one of these elevators has to be a Roxy, right? There it goes, and that's it.